Alright, so we've come out to try and actually get a walk. As you can see, I'm hiding next to a wall to try and get away from the wind. We're at the top of Mam Tor, so obviously we're really high up, and it is super windy. It's literally blowing a gale, and it's kind of like misty rain as well. So I'm recording on the GoPro. I think the whole video will basically be done on the GoPro, so the audio is not going to be quite as good, but like I've said before, you know, I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'd rather record something than record nothing. All we're going to try and do, we're going to skip Mam Tor. I think just it's going to be a nightmare. I think we're going to walk down to Winnats Pass and try and maybe get a photo or two from there, then head back and head into Castleton. We don't want to spend too long around this area because we've already done it before. I kind of just wanted to come in and get a photo, so that's what I'm trying to do. There's kind of a bit of mist and stuff in the valley down there as well, so I think that might look pretty cool with a photo, especially standing over Winnats Pass. I'm not too sure where the exact spot is. Last time we walked the other side of Winnats Pass and didn't see it, so I'm gathering it's this side that we're on now, which is kind of the right side as if you're going down the hill. So we're going to try it out, explore this side and see what we can find, and then probably head back, try and get out of the wind, and then probably head down to Castleton and explore Castleton before it gets too late. I'm not sure if we're staying at Mam Tor tonight. We might do, depending on what time we get back from Castleton or not. It's kind of up in the air, that one. We might stay at a woodland nearby, but I'm not too sure. We're going to kind of play that by ear, so yeah, we'll crack on and I'll give you an update later.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost.
So we're back at the van now. We've had kind of a bit of a chill day today as it's been raining, so we haven't really wanted to go out. We did walk to Winnats Pass and we got back and all our stuff was wet even through our waterproof.
Yeah.
So I don't think we actually realised how wet it was out there.
Yeah.
And it was super windy up there as well.
Yeah, when you got out to the edge, oh man, it was just like an absolute gale blow. Blew me out off and everything. So yeah, so I had to take that off at some point. And then when we got actually onto the Winnats Pass, it was really pretty. Definitely much better than the other side that we walked on last time. Because when we last walked on it, we was kind of a bit underwhelmed and was a bit like, oh, it's nice, but not that nice. But then we came on this side and wow, it is nice, yeah. But we couldn't really get the photos that I wanted to get because we couldn't stand too close to the edge just because it was too windy. It weren't safe enough. It's not worth really risking your life just to get some photos. So we kind of got some photos of the place that we'll obviously keep in a memory bank and that lot. So we got one photo that we're happy with and we'll probably actually post. But the rest of them, they're kind of just memory keepers really, nothing special, just something we'll probably keep for ourselves just so we can kind of remember the place.
So we're thinking about going up to Mam Tor today. We have done it before. It wasn't something we were like planning on doing, but because we're in the area and it's literally just up the hill behind us, we thought we might as well go up there. But it was like the clouds were up there, so it was definitely going to be raining up there.
Yeah, a lot of the time you can actually see Mam Tor or it was just covered in cloud.
But we are going there tomorrow now, meeting up with my family, and we're going to have a walk. It's about 7 miles, I think we're doing tomorrow.
Yeah, from Edale, isn't it?
So yeah, so it's a bit of a long walk, but it should be nice, and we're going to hit Mam Tor. So we decided that we wouldn't do it tonight. Yeah,
we're going to hit it tomorrow, because I can't remember the exact walk, but it starts in Edale, and then it's about a 7-mile round trip, and you go up some edge. I think it is some edge, I think.
Or some hill, yeah, I can't remember.
And then you come round to Mam Tor. We'll obviously show you tomorrow, we'll take you along with it, but yeah, so we're going to probably end the video here because it's, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock at night. We haven't really done much since the walk, we've kind of just been chilling out. Tabs actually wrote a blog, I've just been reading my book. So we're going to end the video here, so thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.